I'm John. I'm here with Roy from Planar Motors. So Roy, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm a mechatronics engineer at the company. Yeah, and then just to give you an introduction of our company, we make magnetically levitated motion platforms. They're mostly used to convey products in fully automated factories and assembly lines
Right.
and production lines.
So is this like, I'm thinking about like the Amazon warehouse first things first. Like, is this used for like Amazon when they automate their warehouses, or well, how else is this using with
Right.
customers today?
Yeah. So our product's not aimed for kind of large warehouses.
Got
It's
it.
more towards kind of small scale.
Oh, these real size? These are actually in
Yeah, these
production?
are real size.
Oh, God. I thought these were
Like
like a simulation.
companies in pharmaceutical field, cosmetics,
Got it.
smaller electronics. Yeah, that's where these are used.
That's super interesting. And so what do you every day? What's your actual like role? You're basically on design, or you
Right.
like, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm in because our company's still not as big as other more established companies.
Sure, sure.
You have to wear a lot of hats.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I'm in the mechanical team, so I do a lot of the mechanical design of our product, as well as a lot of testing for customer applications.
Right.
Yeah. And then I'm also on the certification team for product certification.
Oh, awesome.
To ship to Europe and the States.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a very dynamic environment that I'm working in.
And so why do you love your job?
Yeah, I think like I said, you get to try different stuff because you
Right.
get to wear a lot of hats. Interacting with customers and solving their
Right.
problems is very interesting.
Right.
Yeah, and then you get to learn about what is required in different industries.
Right. Right.
And,
Right.
Yeah, I think that's like the most fun part.
Yeah.
Working on customers' problems.
Any advice for new grads? So you're a new grad, recent new grad, probably a few years ago, probably 3 or 4 years ago.
Right.
So any advice for new grads looking to break into a company like Planar Motors or a similar company?
Yeah, I think like for new grads, maybe I know like when I was graduating from school, I wanted to work at big companies, right?
Sure.
But I think there's great advantages in working in startups.
Yes.
Like I said, you get to wear a lot of hats, and you get to
Yes.
work with great people, and the environment is more dynamic. So
You're
I
at a
think,
trade show right now.
exactly.
Yeah.
I don't think I would. I imagined that I would be at a trade show when I was graduating.
Exactly.
from
Exactly.
university. So yeah, I think you get to learn a lot and more quickly compared to bigger companies. So
Right.
yeah, that's some advice that I can give to the new grads.
That's awesome. Any like tactical, like hard skills you think are worth looking into that you found really useful in the job?
Well, because I interact a lot with customers,
Yeah.
soft skills. I know a lot of engineers are not very
Totally.
good at kind of communicating and
Sure.
interacting with people. But yeah, I think yeah, something that I did improve a lot when I first started. So yeah.
That's awesome. Well, Roy, it's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you very much, John.
You too.